All right, check it out. This is Crooked Falls, about to get the trail started. I saw some people in the parkade, so I don't feel, you know, worried about being here isolated by myself, because this is Grizzly territory. You see parked cars here. I like this. I like that. What else we got? We got hiking sticks. Last time I had a hiking stick, I think I sprained my wrists. Do you want one again? This one's gonna break, but I'm gonna use it anyway, so got a hiking stick. Let's go. Okay, we did a little rest, cool down. Saw one crew leaving, another crew, you know, let it go ahead of me. So tequila and Coronas last night, man. Got me. What? About a kilometer or less, I was told, till the falls. So, let's go. I gotta get this, man. Sandals.
Sandals, man.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm enjoying the apple. These are the views. Okay, that's the end of the hike. I left the hiking stick like 100 meters up there, but you know, I was grateful to have the stick. This is a 8 out of 10 hike. You're under shade most of the time. So it's beautiful for a hot ass day, which is a hot ass day. I'm sweating right now. And it's secluded, not a lot of people, so you don't get a lot of traffic. It's a grind. It's a grind, but yeah, 8 out of 10 here, Crooked Falls. Beautiful, beautiful views here. Going back to my car, probably gonna take a dip in some over here. And yeah, man, it's surrounded by beauty here. It's just a little far to go out here off the main road, but anyways, great hike, Crooked Falls. Yeah, summer 2025.